the Admissions Manager of Coast Mountain College, and welcome all of you in Agents Refresher Training for Business Programs of Coast Mountain College. Today we are having Mr. Veer Vivek Sharma, who is our Marketing Manager of North India, and he will be giving us the brief presentation about all the business programs which we are having in our Coast Mountain College. And in the end of this presentation, if you have any kind of queries, any kind of doubts, you can put your queries into the Q&A section. We will definitely resolve all your issues. Okay. Thank you so much. Vivek, over to you.
Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome from Team CMTN. Myself, Veer Vivek Sharma, Marketing Manager for Coast Mountain College in country, India. So as you all have been notified that today we will exploring business administration programs offered by CMTN in depth. So without wasting any time, we will firstly have a brief interview overview about the Coast Mountain College firstly. So let's move on. So Coast Mountain College is established in 1975. From 1975 till 2017, its name was Northwest Community College, which was also known as NWCC, which is very popular in Indian subcontinent. But after 2017, its name has been changed to Coast Mountain College. Second most important thing, team, this is a public funded college. So the students who wish to go for in government institutions or public funded institutions, we are the options for them. And if we talk about our location, as you can see, this is the map of Canada, and this is British Columbia province. We are located in British Columbia province, basically in the northwest region of British Columbia. So our main campus is located in Terrace, British Columbia. We have total 7 campuses in this region, but out of 7 campuses, we offer our 3 campuses to international students, and these 3 campuses are located in Terrace City, Prince Rupert City, and Smithers. Friends, these all 3 cities are closely interconnected. It will take 1.5 hour drive from Terrace to Prince Rupert, and same as 1.5 hour drive from Terrace to Smithers. If we talk about our main campus is located in Terrace City, and the distance from Vancouver, it will take 1 hour short flight to reach Terrace from Vancouver. This location, this northwest region, is basically tourist destination. So lots of the people from around the world come over here to spend their vacations. So like we can say that Terrace is a central hub with quick access to the nature's playground. The Northwest, if we talk about its weather conditions, we all know that British Columbia is the first preference for the immigrants and students just because of its weather condition. So students can enjoy all the 4 seasons over here. They can enjoy winters, summers, spring, and fall as well. Especially in winters, there is only a short period of 4 to 10 days comes when temperature dips down below 0 degree, and that only goes up to -10 degrees. So there are not any extreme weather conditions during winters here. So like winters are very mild. So this is the picture of Terrace campus. As you can see, there is not that much snowfall, so there is no any kind of interruption in transportation or communication. We have a very huge campus which is spread over in 11 acres of land. We have separate buildings for each and every department for transformative learning spaces. Like we serve more than 34 communities at Coast Mountain College. So we can easily find out the students from India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and Europe also. We have student strength of more than 4,400 students in these 3 regional campuses. We offer more than 45 programs for students to choose from. So if we talk about the USPs of the Coast Mountain College, then the number 1 is 97% of satisfaction rate, which shows the quality of education at Coast Mountain College. We have 97% of students will get immediate job after completion of their programs. And the students who wish to do a 4-year bachelor degree or master's in Canada, they also use Coast Mountain College as a pathway institute, because we also run university credit courses with affordable fee structure. Smaller class size equals to better rates. Average class size at Coast Mountain College is only in between 15 to 25 students, which gives an opportunity to students to get better interaction with their instructors and professors. Inclusive and multicultural learning environment. As I told you that we serve more than 34 communities. So multicultural learning environment is there. Flexible study options. Weekly 3-day classes are there with lots of the programs, but the schedule for the classes will be given to the students after the registration for this semesters. Supportive instructors and staff. Last but not least is on-campus residence. We have campus residence in our all these 3 campuses. We offer lots of kind of accommodation options to the students. The accommodation cost in on campus is in between 500 to 600 Canadian dollars on monthly basis. So now we come to the main point, like the topic of this today's session is business programs. So we offer 4 business programs from Coast Mountain College. Like first is the post-degree diploma program for graduate students with the duration of 2 years. Then we have business administration certificate program with the duration of 1 year. We have business administration diploma for with duration of 2 years, and a pre-business program of only 1 semester. So now I will show you a short video of Coast Mountain College.
Our business program is set apart from others because of the experiential place-based learning factor. We really try to integrate you within the community, get you to do interesting and unique things, take advantage of our field schools. If you want a program where you can learn, get involved in the community, and try to advance your career and get some real life skills, this would be the place for you.
So this video is specially for business program. As you can see that what kind of business programs and what kind of faculty team we have. So I hope you get some idea about this. So here is the list of the programs with proper details. As we can see in the first 2 columns, there is business administration certificate and business administration diploma. These both programs are for 10+2 students. First program, that is business administration certificate, comes with 1 year of duration. It is a certificate level program with tuition fee of 13,000 Canadian dollars per year. Yearly tuition fees is 13,000 Canadian dollars. Next is business administration diploma. Again, it is for 10+2 students with duration of 2 years. It is a diploma level program. Its tuition fees is 13,509 Canadian dollars. Then we come to the post-degree business diploma. This program is for graduate students who wish to go for a post-degree in business. The duration of this program is for 2 years. It is a post-degree diploma program. The tuition fees, yearly tuition fees for this program is 12,226 Canadian dollars. These tuition fees are approximately tuition fees. So the last is pre-business program. Its duration is 4 months only. It's a diploma level program with tuition fees of 5,873 Canadian dollars. Then if we talk about the requirements for the programs, like we have common IELTS requirements, or we can say that English proficiency requirements for each and every program. It doesn't matter it is a UG program or a PG program. So firstly, we will talk about IELTS requirements. We require overall 6 bands, no band less than 5.5. It means if student is struggling with IELTS and have overall 6 bands, but 5.5 in 1 or 2 module, any module, they can apply for these programs or any program at Coast Mountain College. And if we talk about TOEFL, we require overall 90 score, listening and reading with 22, writing and speaking 23 respectively. And for PTE students, we require overall 58 scores in listening, reading and writing, not less than 54, and in speaking, not less than 64. And if we talk about academic requirements, so like for business programs, we all know that maths is mandatory. We require mathematics, calculus, or statistics as a subject in 10+2 or in graduation with minimum 50% marks. So this is the requirement to get enrollment in business programs at Coast Mountain College. But the students who doesn't have any they have not as a subject mathematics, calculus, or statistics in 10+2 or graduation, but they wish to go for business programs, then there are two options for them. Like they can go for the firstly they can go for a foundation program or a bridging program. As I showed you previously, the program by the name of pre-business program, which is for the duration of 4 months, which comes with the tuition fees of 5,800 Canadian dollars. Let's have a look. Like students need to submit their application for two programs basically. One, like they are desired to get, like if any students want to go for a business administration diploma, but he doesn't have maths, calculus, or statistics in their background studies, then they also have to take that program, that is pre-business program with duration of 4 months. With tuition fees of 5,873 Canadian dollars. For that, in first semester, they go to the Canada. They will they will attend the pre-business program in his first semester, and from second semester, their main program will start. So this is the one option for those students who doesn't have maths, calculus, or statistics in 10+2 graduation. The other option is AccuPlaces Maths Test. It's an online maths test. At the time of application, students have to send a consent form like this one. The consent form, that in that form, they have to mention that they want to go for this program, but they are not interested in a pre-business program with extra tuition fees of 5,800 Canadian dollar. For that, this form will be required at the time of application. And in that form, they will show their interest for the AccuPlaces Maths Test basically. So when they put their application for their desired program, at the same time, they have to pay 25 Canadian dollars to the website by the name of Examity, who conducts the AccuPlaces Maths Test. This test comes with only and only fees, registration fees of 25 Canadian dollars. All the study material like sample papers, syllabus is available on that website. At the meantime, students can prepare themselves on this website. After registration, students will get 90 days of validity, or we can say that 3 months period to get prepared and appear for the test. And if they get the required marks, then they can deposit the mark sheet of this test as a supporting document for their admission, and they will get directly admission in their desired program without taking pre-business program and paying 5,800 Canadian dollars. So this is the most affordable option for the students. Now we will talk about the future pathways after the business programs, because lots of the students normally ask that question, like what kind of the future options or like job opportunities after this business programs they can get. So firstly, we will talk about those students who wish to do a 4-year bachelor degree or master's in Canada in business administration. Like our diploma programs, the programs, UG programs, like business administration certificate and business administration diploma, they comes under the university credit courses. So the students who wish to do a 4-year bachelor degree in Canada in some other college or university, they can do that. The first 2 years of their studies, they have to spend these 2 years in Coast Mountain College with affordable fee structure. And after completion of their 2 years, we will transfer their credits to that particular college or university wherever they want to do a 4-year bachelor degree. And they can start their study directly in the 3rd year in that college or university. Finally, after 4 years, they will get a 4-year bachelor degree or master's, whatever they want. And we have we have partnership with more than 29 colleges and universities throughout the British Columbia for these degree transfer programs. And the renowned universities, like I can name few universities which are renowned and we have partnership with them. Like we have partnership with University of British Columbia, University of Northern British Columbia, University of Victoria, Royal Roads University, BC Institute of Technologies. So these are the few names of the colleges and universities that which are associated with Coast Mountain College. So as you can see, there is a detail about these colleges and universities. You can find out these links and these web links and details on the website. Otherwise, I am always available for your support. You can ask any question about these colleges or universities in a Q&A session. Okay. So career options, like what kind of career opportunities students will get after the completion of their programs in business administration. Like business programs comes with the flexibility of employment opportunities. If students have aptitude and ability, they can get lots of like job opportunities in Canada. Like there are the few like designations or the career opportunities for students. They can work as a manager, administrator, executive directors, consultants. They can also become an entrepreneur, accountants, financial analysts, brokers, investment advisor. There are a lot of job profiles related to the business administration programs. Okay, how to apply? Like we all know that the application fees for Coast Mountain College is 100 Canadian dollars, but right now we waived off the application fees for SDS category students. The students who have overall 6 bands and no band less than 6, they get their application fee waived off. But the students who doesn't come in SDS category, they have to pay 100 Canadian dollars as their application fees. So on the screen, team, you can see the contact details of me and our admission manager, Ms. Niti. Both email IDs and contact numbers are on screen. If you have any kind of question, queries, or you want to know more about the business programs, you can always connect us. We are always available for your support. So thank you very much. If you have any question and queries, please put your question and queries in Q&A column or in chat box. I will be happy to answer your questions. So Aditi, it's over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Vivek. Thank you so much for this wonderful presentation, And so agents, if you have any kind of queries and doubts, please put your queries in Q&A section. Right now, we do not have such more questions, but we have some questions and that I need to ask. And okay, so Vivek, our first question is, what is the academic requirements for post-degree business diploma and for pre-business program?
Okay, like the academic requirements academic requirements are common for each and every program at Coast Mountain College, and that is overall 50% in 10th, +2, and graduation. I repeat, it's overall 50%. So it doesn't matter if students have less than 50% in 1 or 2 subjects, they are eligible to apply for Coast Mountain College. But in any case, like in some programs, we require some mandatory subjects. Like in business program, we require mathematics, calculus, or statistics. So we require 50% or more than 50% in that case. Otherwise, it is 50% overall in 10th, +2, and graduation.
Thank you so much, Vivek. So my next question is, what are the name of the 2 programs to get transfer into the college or other universities?
Okay, we have Associates of Science degree, Associates of Arts degree, and business programs UG level are also comes under the university credit transfer programs. So there are lots of programs who comes under the university credit transfer. So like we have lots of programs for that. So like I named a few. Most of the programs comes under the university credit transfer program.
Thank you so much, Vivek. So my next question is, if the student fails in the AccuPlacer test, will he be getting offer letter with the pre-business program or his admission is denied?
Like this AccuPlacer math test comes with the benefit that is multi-attempts. If student fails in his first attempt, he can again pay 25 Canadian dollars and can try his luck again. So there is not any kind of limit on the attempts of this AccuPlacer math test. But if students after after getting failed in this AccuPlacer math test, he can choose the pre-business program and try his luck with other option also.
Thank you so much, Vivek. So how much study gap is acceptable?
Okay, so after 10 plus 2, we accept gap of 3 years with justification. And after graduation, we accept the gap of 5 years with justification. This is our gap policy.
Yeah, but justification is required. Justification is mandatory.
Justification is required.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Vivek. Thank you. So how many backlogs are accepted?
Okay, we accept 2 backlogs per year. It means if students have done a BTech of 4 years, like 4-year bachelor degree, then we accept 8 backlogs. And if student have done any diploma in mechanical or any other stream after 10th or plus 2, then we accept 6 backlogs. You can calculate it as 2 backlogs per year. So it depends on the duration of the program. If it is a 4-year program, then we accept 8 backlogs. And if it's a 3-year program, then we accept 6 backlogs.
Thank you, Vivek. So is there any age limit to apply in CMTN?
At the time of admissions, there is no any age limit, but we require the if the student is like of more than age according to his study gap, so he have to submit his statement of purpose, SOP, that why he is continuing his study again. So only this document is required in that case if student is of more age than his normal academic
So it
year.
means 400 to 500 words SOP, statement of purpose, is required before processing the offer letter, no? From the student side.
Yes, in that statement of purpose, he have to mention that why he is continuing his study again, what are his future endeavors, and what is the reason of their gap.
Thank you so much.
Study gap.
Thank you so much. And my next question is, can you accept less than 50% in one subject?
Yes, we accept less than 50% marks in 1 or 2 subjects also. But in fact, that subject should not be a mandatory subject. Like in business program, if the student have less than 50% in maths, then he is not eligible. Otherwise, we require 50% marks overall in 10 plus 2 and graduation. It doesn't matter if student have less than 50% marks in 1 or 2 subjects.
So much, Vivek. So is PT is available? PT is acceptable? And what are the requirements of PT? Yeah. We
accept all the 4 variants of English proficiency test. We accept IELTS, TOEFL, PT, and Duolingo as well. And as in question that you are asking for the PT requirements, we require overall 58 score for PT overall, and in listening, reading, and writing, not less than 54. And in speaking, not less than 64.
Thank you so much, Vivek. So is there any English language requirement waiver accepted by CMTN?
Right now we are only accepting these proficiencies, and the minimum requirement of these have already been explained. So there is no any kind of relaxation in English proficiency.
Okay, thank you so much. So is there any scholarships are providing by the Coast Mountain College?
No, right now we are not offering any kind of scholarship before entering the college. But if student is bright and performs well in his academics at Coast Mountain College, he is entitled to get scholarships. And in that case, our financial aid officers will help them and support him to get scholarships in the studies at Coast Mountain College. But right now, team, we are offering international entrance award right now. So this is a program. This award scheme is related to 6 programs for September intake only. So the students who have already applied for September intake in few programs, the list will be shared to you in the chat box by the Neeti few minutes after. So like these programs, if any student have applied in these programs, they are entitled for award of 1,500 Canadian dollars after they got selected. After getting the offer letter, they will get a form, along with that offer letter. And in that form, they have to mention that why they are choosing this program, what are their future endeavors, and why they choose Canada as their study destination, along with a short video of 4 to 5 minutes. In that video, also, like, they have to mention all these things about their future endeavors, why they choose Canada as their study destination, and why they choose this program. So if their presentation is at par, they are, and if they selected, they will get 1,500 Canadian dollars of award in the second year of their study. So right now this award scheme is closed as our September intake is already closed, but the applications for this international entrance award is still open till October 15. So any student who have already applied for September intake, they can ask for this form from our admission manager, Niti. She will provide this form to you, and like they have chance to win 1,500 Canadian dollars.
Thank you so much, Vivek. There is one more question. Can art student apply for diploma of criminology?
Yes, criminology diploma is an open program. There is no any mandatory subject for criminology diploma. So the art students can also apply for criminology diploma.
Thank you so much. So Vivek, here are some questions in the chat box as well. So the question is, can you please reconfirm that application fee is waived off for Gen 22 SDS?
Yes, January intake application fee is waived off only for the SDS category students, the students who have overall 6 bands and 6 bands each, not less than 6. So they are like qualified this requirement of IELTS, and their application fee will be waived off. Soon we will distribute the flyers.
Vivek, your voice is not audible. Hello? So agents, I'm repeating again, if you have any queries, any doubts, please put in Q&A section and in your chat box so that we can sort your queries, And one more thing, if you have any kind of doubt, if you think that your queries are not solving in this session, please send us an email on india@coastmountaincollege.ca or on Vivek's email ID, which is support@coastmountaincollege.ca. All right. So I'm having one query in the chat box that if student is having, 50% score, like in one module 5.5 bands, like if he has been accepted to Coast Mountain College. So yes, if student is having 5.5 in one module and he is 2019 pass out, 12th student, then with computer certificate program, you can send us the documents on India@Coast Mountain or support SCAsia@coastmountaincollege.ca so that we can assess those documents and we will revert you accordingly, either student is eligible or not. Okay. So this is the whole things we want to discuss. Vivek, if you have any kind of you want to say something to agents?
Yes, first of all, sorry for some kind of technical error. I just got disappeared. So all the agents, like our partners, now we have opportunity to get more and more applications as the lockdown situations are getting back to the normal in India. So we have the right time to choose like offer the programs to the students. So I'll be available for any kind of seminar or any kind of like student gathering you want to do with me. I'm always available for Zoom sessions, for any Facebook Live, or any kind of in-office meeting. So I will try to reach out each of you from my own. But if you have any kind of like this program, please connect me. I'm always available for your support. So this is the end. Thank you very much, Niti.
Thank you so much, Vivek. Thank you so much for the wonderful presentation, and thank you for solving all our questions, and thank you so much, agents, for participations and for your questions. Again, I'm repeating, if you have any kind of doubt and queries, please send us an email on india@coastmountaincollege.ca and on support@coastmountaincollege.ca. And if you want more information about Coast Mountain College, please visit our college's website, which is www.coastmountaincollege.ca. And we will definitely assist you over there. Okay. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you, Vivek. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day to you.